The Union government has increased export duties on diesel and aviation turbine fuel with effect from Tuesday. The decision was announced through an official notification issued by Department of Revenue. Under the revised rates, diesel exports will now attract a duty of 14 rupees per litre. Export duty on aviation turbine fuel has been raised to 12.5 rupees per litre. However, there is no change in the export duty on petrol. The government has also left domestic excise duty rates unchanged. Petrol and diesel sold within the country and the continue to be taxed. Existing official clarified that the latest changes apply on to exports. The revision comes as part of the government's fortnightly review mechanism. Export duties are reassessed every 2 weeks. The rates are linked to movements in international crude oil and fuel prices. Officials said the latest revision was based on average global prices recorded since the previous review. The last assessment was carried out on June 1st. Authorities monitored trends in crude oil, petrol, diesel, and aviation turbine fuel before deciding on duty rates. The export levies include special additional excise duty and road and infrastructure cess. These duties were introduced to help manage domestic fuel availability and reduce pressure on local supplies during period of global uncertainty. The government first imposed the additional levies on March 27th. The decision came amid tensions in West Asia and concerns about fluctuations in international energy markets. Officials said the move was aimed at discouraging the excessive exports and ensuring adequate fuel stocks within the country. Alongside the duty revision is the Petroleum Ministry sought to reassure consumers about fuel availability. Senior officials stated that there is no shortage of petroleum products in the country. Stocks of petrol, diesel, and LPG natural gas remain sufficient to meet demand. Speaking at an inter-ministerial briefing, Petroleum Ministry Joint Secretary Sujata Sharma said there was no reason for concern regarding fuel supplies. She urged consumers and industries to use energy responsibly. While global energy markets remain volatile, government officials stressed that the revised duties are part of our routine policy mechanism. The objective is to balance export incentives with domestic energy security. Authorities said the review process allows the government to respond quickly to changing market conditions. The Department of Revenue reiterated that petrol export duties remain unchanged. It also confirmed that there has been no revision in the domestic excise duties on petrol and diesel. Consumers are therefore unlikely to see any immediate impact on fuel taxation within the country. The revised export duties came into force from Tuesday. Diesel exports will now attract a levy of 14 rupees per litre, while ATF export will face a duty of 12.5 rupee per litre. The government is expected to review the rates again during the next fortnightly assessment based on developments in global fuel markets. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.